Now that we have customized the various panel in project management environment, the project management window, now format the fonts, let's format the font size, the font style of each of our tabs. Now, so that's what we're going to do next. We're going to format. So in order to format, we are going to click on this button, Table Fonts and Rules. Now, if you don't have this Table Fonts and Rules icon or command on your top panel one, click on this arrow and click on the Add Develop button. You can find it along, you can find it here and just click on the checkbox and that it will appear at the top of the panel. Okay, now we've done that. This we are going to do now. We are going to click on project. As we click on project, that shows projects here. That tells you that the active panel is projects. When I click on activities, you can see activities is being displayed at the top panel here. That's to tell you that the activities panel is the active panel. So when I go back to projects, it tells you that the project is the active panel. So now I click on project and we click on this icon. This brings up the table fonts and rule, the table fonts and rule dialog box. In the table fonts and rule dialog box, we have the OK button. When you've done any changes, you are OK to it. We click apply if you want to see the changes and see how the changes looks like before you click on OK. Cancel if you want to terminate any changes you've done and you don't want to continue ahead with such a change. Help is you want to know help about the you want to see how a particular command works. Then at the bottom here, this displays the screen. It displays the font, the style, and the various the font and the style and the color. Now let's click on the font button that I'm interested in. In this font button, we by default project management makes use of the FM sensor. The SM sensor, that's what is used by project management by default. You can decide to change it to new, or you can decide to use any font style you want to use. I'd like to use it Times New Roman. I can decide to make it regular. I can still decide to make it 8, and just click on OK. Now I could decide to make it black. Or what color you want to use, and you click on OK. Then when you click on OK, you can see that display at the bottom here. Once you click on apply, now you can see at the bottom that this is very, very tiny. Okay, that's tiny. So you can decide to change that to another. Let's see regular now. Okay, regular 8. Let's click on OK. When you click on OK, click on apply. Now this is a little bit bigger. You can see. Also, you can increase the row size here. My default is 18. So click on that 30 and click apply. That increases the row size, but let's leave the default in what it is. Now, if I want to use a color, I could decide I need a color, let's say blue. Then I click on apply. Now you can see my background is now in blue color. You get now the background is now in blue color. So I could go back and then pick back the default color. Okay, and I pick the default color. I click on apply. I go back, I select the default color and I have there. Click on OK and I go back to apply. Now I think there's also this icon. Now when you click on the show icon, you remove that and apply. Now you can see the icon is off. When I click show icon and I click apply, now you can see the icons, each of this icon that appears here. So when I remove show icon, I select that. Now you can see all the icons are no longer displayed. Yeah. So then when I click on this and click on apply the icon are being displayed here. So once you're done everything you're doing, you click on OK. But when you click on OK, that format the font size and the font style. So you can do that for all the panels. You can do that for the rest. You can do that for the rest of the tabs. But I don't want to. Let me leave the default. That is here. Let me leave the default. I just want to change it to the default. Now, I only want to show you how you can change that. So let me just leave the default. Okay, let me click apply. So if you like this video, kindly give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to our social media channel, our Instagram channel, our TikTok channel, our Facebook channel. Thank you, Thank you very much.